Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Just another quickie here. This is a key to a Toyota Corolla. It's not a Toyota key, but it's made by the same manufacturer that makes these for Toyota. This is an extra key that we have, and the battery died in it, and the only thing you really need to replace it is a coin. I'm going to use a penny in this case, and of course a new battery. So the first thing you do is there's a little notch here in the corner. You take your coin, get it in there, give a little twist, and it pops right open without a huge amount of force, and the back flips right open. Then on the inside here there's another compartment. Try to leave that alone because those little buttons there are free floating. And you look carefully on this. There's a little bit of lettering that says use coin to open, and there's a little bit of a slot in here. So you take the coin and you get over in this corner. It's right up underneath the clear plastic. Get it in there and a little twist. You hear a couple clicks, and with a little convincing, pops open into two halves, and there is the battery. So in my experience, it's almost impossible to open these Energizer packets without some scissors or a knife or a similar implement. And there's the cell. Boy, that is a very thin battery. Appears to be 4 tabs that are holding the battery in place, and these 2 bottom tabs are smaller than the top 2, so you want to try to pry it from the bottom. There it is. And installing a new battery is reverse order of taking the old one out. You want to fit the top in, slide it under those 2 tabs, kind of push it up and push it gently into place. And it snaps in just like that. And before you assemble it, you want to confirm that any of these buttons, if you've disturbed them, are sitting properly. Just realize some of them could be upside down, so you want to make sure they're all in the correct spot. And success.